Andrew, do you have this? Okay, today we're going to be learning how to make ice fishing rods. Okay? Everyone, most of you should have this from yesterday. We talked about the different vocabulary. Do you have that?
Social studies.
Kayla, you weren't here yesterday. You were fishing. Any none of that? Claude, were you here yesterday? Take this out, okay?
Afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Okay.
Right here. There you go. And you have yours, Preston? Yes?
When are we going?
We're gonna go this afternoon.
Okay.
My copy.
All of us?
Yeah, and the high school will probably end up coming too.
All right.
So you're gonna give us a hand. Takes a long time to drill those holes.
What if we walk through the air
I'm pretty sure you won't.
with a bus?
Well, we're not going on the bus. I'm
That's
gonna take
what
you.
you
I'm gonna
said.
take you on the eland. I'm gonna take you on the eland. It'll be fun. Okay?
I'll bring my scooter.
Here we go.
Okay.
Let me just fix this. Follow along, please underline everything that I'm reading so you understand what we're
Reading.
doing. Okay? Everything that I'm reading, you underline. Okay? Making ice fishing jiggle sticks. In this lesson, students will learn about ice fishing equipment and skills. They will also learn that ice fishing outings will be even more fun when they use ice fishing rods that they have made themselves. Okay? You're going to make your own rods, just like this. We got sticks yesterday. We're going to learn how to make those, and then we'll go use them this afternoon. Your learning goals, so this is what I'm looking for you guys to learn, okay? Identify the equipment used in ice fishing, okay? Learn how to tie a clinch knot. Anyone know how to tie a clinch knot?
Yeah.
Really? Excellent, you can help show everyone, okay? And assemble and rig, assemble and rig a homemade jiggle stick for ice fishing. So we're gonna go through those steps right now. Some of the vocabulary we did yesterday. Most of you have these written down. I'll rank them again. Jada, what does a hand auger do? Yesterday. Okay, write this down, please. A hand auger drills holes in the ice. Okay? Write it down if you haven't written it down. Next one, number 2. Jiggle sticks are fishing rods without reels. Okay? Fishing rods. Write this down, please. Fishing rods without reels. Okay? There you go. This is what we're going to make. We're not using reels. If you leave it with ice chunks floating in it, they'll just freeze again. Okay? So an ice scooper skimmer scoops ice chips from the hole. Okay? Scoops ice chips from the hole. Okay? Write that down, please. One more.
I'll do my own fish.
How are you going to do that?
I'll go swimming.
You going to swim in the ice cold water?
Yeah.
Jiggling rods and reels. Have reels that hold the line but have no drag. Have reels
But no
that-
drag.
hold the line, but there's no drag on them. You guys remember what drag is?
Yeah?
What's drag?
I don't know.
Yeah? Here's the drag. Everyone look up here. See this little button? Claude, see the little button here? Okay, that's how you set your drag. If you want it loose, so you can fight with a fish, it pulls the line out. Okay? If you want it tight,
Mr. Dare, are you gonna bring that?
Who didn't see the auger yesterday? Who did not see it? Braden, were you here yesterday?
No?
Okay, come up here for a second. Remember we almost drilled a hole through the floor? By mistake. This is a hand auger. So on the bottom you have the blade there. That part goes into the ice. And then you kind of wedge it down into the ice. And here you can do it. You pick it up and you spin. Whether hand you're righty or lefty. So you can hear it kind of cutting the floor. Exactly. That's what you do. We're going to do that this afternoon. It's going to take about 10 minutes maybe. 15 minutes for each hole. Remember last year, Matthew had the gas powered one. We don't. So there's the blade. Feel the blade. How sharp is it? We're good. There's the auger. Alright, after you do that, drill 3 holes in the line with another as shown, 1.5 inches from the tip. Just like this, except we're not drilling holes because we don't have screws. What we're going to use, look here, is we're going to use thumbtacks. Okay? Take the thumbtack. You can have 2 of the same if you want.
First one.
And it's about mid-reel. Find a nice flat spot. Maybe up here would be good. And just put them in here. 1, 2. These are going to hold your line.
And Mr. Dare,
Yeah.
what if our sticks go in the water?
Okay.
And that
Okay, so that'll hold your line there, the two tacks. Right there. Next, you're going to take, you're going to tie it right here. Okay, you can tie a knot, or you can tie a clinch knot if you want. I'll show you how to do a clinch knot after. Preston, don't do that. Okay, tie it around. I'll show you how to do a clinch knot.
There are the directions.
Okay, so that it's on right there, on your first tack. Right, Bryden, are you watching or are you just hammering things? Yeah. Okay, so it's on there. Cut the extra line. Take. Where's my knife?
Clinch knot. It's so easy.
Alright,
No problem.
got it?
Do you need chain rate at the moment?
Just for like 5 more minutes.
Okay.
He's recording what we're doing.
Did I just interrupt
Fishing.
now?
Yeah, there you go. However, I have to tighten the line up a bit here.
Wasn't me, man.
Please make sure you keep your line nice and tight so that it doesn't go all over the place, okay? You can hook your worm in, or your hook in here on the side. That way your line doesn't get tangled. Okay, there you go. There's your fishing rod. Whoosh.
There.
Now you can
Cut your finger off.
Mine has lots of skin.
Too much skin.
Take it off. Good. See, it's not that cold, eh? Alright.
Warm.
What did that?
Still too cold to sit in the open, though.
Don't lie.
We're in the woods, it'd be too windy out there.
Wait.
Except for that one, we'll do that one. We'll use it for fire.
The one.
The camera's rolling.